something for you. He's crazier than a three-ring zoo. You never know what he might do. It's Felix the Cat, and he's here for you. With the paw and the professor, the master cylinder too. When madness mixed with his bag of tricks, you know he's gonna pull us through. So point your face at the TV screen for the most wonderful cat that you've ever seen. He's always up to something new. It's Felix the Cat, and he's here for you. It's Felix the Cat, and he's here for you.
I have it. A way to get Felix's bag of tricks. I'll challenge him to a duel.
But, Professor, people don't duel anymore. That was hundreds of years ago.
Then I'll take Felix back hundreds of years. I'll use my time machine on him.
How do we get him inside, Professor?
Leave that to me.
That was a great idea, Professor. Making a time machine look like a photo booth.
Ah, here comes Felix now, with his bag of tricks.
3 photos this way. Oh, boy!
This way, young man. Now I'll just turn this dial, and Felix will go back 500 years. Let's get there first, so we can welcome him.
It sure is a shaky photo booth. Hey, where am I? A castle.
The court is now in session.
Not in my ear, Rock Bottom. Ow!
If that's rock bottom, the other must be the professor. You can't fool me, Professor.
Seize him.
I'm sorry, Professor. It's Felix.
Gosh, rock bottom coming up from behind. And the professor in front of me.
Give up, Felix. You're cornered.
Bag of tricks, do your stuff.
Stop, Rock Bottom. It's me. Not again.
My only hope is to get to the drawbridge. Ah, there it is, and it's open. Felix!
Rock, this time we have Felix with his bag of tricks. Tomorrow we duel for your magic bag.
The professor has me imprisoned in his castle. Now he wants to duel me for my magic bag. I must get out of here. Uh-oh, here comes Rock Bottom.
Come and get him. Get your program for today's big duel between Felix and the Professor. Come and get him.
I'm on next.
Choose your weapon.
I'll take this one. It's made of rubber.
Ladies and gentlemen, In this corner, we have the world-renowned Felix the Cat. And in this corner, we have His Majesty, alias the Professor.
Felix doesn't stand a chance against my mechanical horse.
At the sound of the bell, come out fighting.
Uh-oh. Okay, Professor, I'm ready.
Hand over your bag of tricks. This horse is made of metal cans and not afraid of anything.
Not afraid of anything? Oh, yeah? Well, how about this?
The can opener.
That was close.
Now that I have Felix in my sights, I'm sure to get him.
Uh-oh, here comes the Professor again. He took my magic bag. Give it back, Professor. Uh-oh,
Now I'll get Felix.
my magic bag.
Come back here, Felix.
Gosh, I'd better think of something fast. All right, Professor, I'm ready. I'm glad the time machine took me back to the present. Uh-oh.
Felix, again you got the best of me.